Hello friends, in this video we will compare AI detection tools and show you. We will also tell you which are the best AI tool among them. Here I have prepared two simple documents. The first will be our ChatGPT, in which we got the content written by ChatGPT, and second will be our content, in which we prepared by paraphrasing it, and you can say it we wrote it ourselves. By testing both documents, we will show which is the best AI tools that give absolutely 100% accurate result. Here we have used three AI tools. First one is ChatGPT, and second one is ZeroGPT, and third one is Originality.ai. Here I am showing you the document ready, like I prepare an article here in ChatGPT. I write any one article here. After that, copy this article and then we will check it. First of all, we go to ZeroGPT. If you come here, then you will see the interface like this. Here you have to paste ChatGPT content, and after that click on detect. Then you will see the result. Here is showing 63.2% AI, which is very surprising because I have generated all this content from ChatGPT and without sharing any human idea with it. Now we will check this content on Originality.ai. After coming here, you will get many different type of features like AI checker, plagiarism checker, fact checker, readability checker, grammar checker, and site scan. You will get all these AI tools. So you have to sign up and go to AI Detect, where you have to paste the text that you have copied from ChatGPT. Then after click on a scan, then you have to wait. 100% will not be completed until then. When a scan is complete, then see that 100% of this content has been written by AI, which is absolutely correct. You have seen it yourself. I have written it from ChatGPT and copy it like this. Now you can decide yourself which is the best AI tool that can detect AI, because here we have shown you the result and told you which is the AI tool that gives you the best result. Now here is another document like here. We will check which tool detects human right article well and tells how much percentage human and how much percentage is AI here. Now we will test human right article and see which one gives the best result. You can check something here. So here we will copy that article from Notepad. So first of all, we will come back to ZeroGPT and paste the content that we just copied here, and after that we will click on detect. And then we will check here. Here you will see that our human article is showing 3%, that it has AI 3%, which is average and cannot be called correct because we prepared this entire content ourselves. After that we go to Originality.ai. Here we will go to new scan, and after that we paste the content. Click on a scan, then wait for some time, and here you will see this is completely correct. It looks 100% accurate because the content we have prepared it ourselves. Because of this, it looks completely correct. By watching this video, you can understand which tool is the best. Here Originality.ai gives you 100% accurate result, so you can use it. If you like this video, then like the video and subscribe to our channel.